on the STEM bus. And as you know, the STEM bus is also meant for our students. So this is also a message to our parents that the legislatures themselves are sitting in this STEM bus, and therefore it's absolutely safe, and we are here to show that to you and really to encourage that more and more students and parents should adopt this, because it helps in the overall decongestion and reducing the traffic on the streets. So therefore, we encourage parents and students to take the STEM bus whenever possible. Thank you.
And of course, up there is the secretariat. There will be a women's working hostel here. So this is the women's working hostel, and the skills park is in front of them. Yes, sir. That's the secretariat. But so that secretariat is like secretariat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Later on, we thought let's keep the best for them. In phase 2, it's almost complete. And in another month or so, the second IT parking phase.
This is also 80 acres, huh?
Yes, sir, we had to then ultimately break it down, so we had to give it that side. So people are working inside now.
But you have taken back the land which was given to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Best one.
Yes, sir. We gave everything.
They have that tendency.
This is the IEEE January program, so that's going to be the parade ground.
You used to have polo.
Yeah, so because we cannot go to polo, so that's the official ground, parade ground for any formal activity.
Yes, so it is not the understand ground.
After I came up to this point, I think we like
Make a 4-lane and then connect it all the way to Polo.
yeah.
And the Polo also, we were up to, from Polo, 4-lane should start. Because
And from there you have one more road, which is rather constructed earlier. Remember from that neighborhood?
yes, sir. That's the one. VIP road. VIP road. That's the one. Yeah, this is nice. This is a ring, no? This is a ring, no? This is ring 2 going on.
Or Kalir.
Low budget, low budget.
No budget allocation. All the posts. That's a frame. The board from how far to come?
Then connect to that one thing. You connect to that one thing.
Yes, sir. From Godfrey, from Belfort.
Yeah, remember when the Pranab ji came as a president?
Yeah, from Belfort.
So that
These are private buildings or government buildings?
Shillong looks different. So we took away the land of everybody. Judiciary and Vijay, who else?
Yes, I think we better start from there.
You have a small microphone type no? Yeah. Okay, I think
Make it fast.
One is President Young and then link to is President Down
अरे झाल इधर और वहां से सब दिख Okay, there's below this there's
So every month, one floor they are casting now after the basement is done. Every month and a half, let's say. And the building is 18.5 lakh square feet.
How many hours?
18.5 lakh.
18.5 lakh. For comparison, the current secretariat is in 1.5 lakh square feet. 2 lakh square feet, the current secretariat.
current secretary is 2 lakh.
We'll have 8 times more space. Many directorates also will come in
That
this.
means 40 acre of land.
Almost. And work is going on 24 hours.
Chalo.
I think so we can go now.
So what is the orientation? We are facing south, west,
Facing west actually.
Are we facing west or
south.
we are facing south?
So this is the first ring, and that's the second ring.
Yeah.
So it's been 10 months now. So they've finished about 39%, 40% of civil work is done. So they expect by another year's time.
August
No, another year they should be by January they should be able to finish the full civil work, and 7 months for engineers.
But the building is present. The building is present.
Oh no, same. The one we saw there is this one. It's coming here like this. This is second ring. So it's ring like that, no? It's two rings, 2 ring network, 2 ring.